Welcome back, YouTube. Got another video for you today. And today we're gonna get into tubebuddy and look at my past history of videos. I have done three or four different videos of tubebuddy and all this goodness and glory. And a lot of people don't know what tubebuddy is. And tubebuddy is just a keyword tool for YouTube. This is the best thing that you need if you're making YouTube videos, which I highly suggest you do, because YouTube is free to make a video. It don't take long, maybe 10 minutes to make a video. You can upload it from your phone. You literally take a video from your phone, upload to YouTube in like 10 minutes. It takes no time to do it. You don't have to edit the videos. You create videos for free. You could be an affiliate for Tide detergent and create videos with Tide detergent, or videos with Tide detergent. Put your affiliate link at the bottom of the video and make some affiliate commissions. So tubebuddy is going to help you get the keywords you put inside YouTube. Okay, so what tubebuddy will do, I'll pull this up. tubebuddy will help you find related tags you could add into your keywords. Okay, and this is gold because I would never know what the key. If I'm doing a video on dog training or whatever, the fake tubebuddy is gonna find me all related keywords for dog training and more that I would never thought of myself. So it takes the guesswork out of it. And all you do is click on that, and you're done. It's that simple. And it shows here, it'll be a green icon here. It shows you what you rank. See, and then if you rank for a keyword, it'll have it here on the keyword itself, and it'll be green, which is good. It'll have 4 or 5 or 6. So you rank 6 for that keyword on YouTube, which is powerful. This is a powerful tool to use for your videos and for YouTube. You have to. This is a must tool to use. Again, you don't have to use tubebuddy, but the statistics they give you, all the time it'll save you, suggested tags. It saved me so much time, and it tells me exactly it shows me what the #1 video ranked for that, and what keywords they're ranking for, so I can use the same keywords as well. This is a really good tool to use. It saves me a lot of time, and it's super cheap. Okay, if you want to get tubebuddy, it's in the link is at the bottom of the video. But look, I'm on the pro package. I'm on the pro level, and it's $5 a month. It's $5 a month, and I don't miss five. If you can't spend $5 a month on a tool that will help you rank your videos higher and you get more views, what makes you more money, then you living life wrong. It's only $5 a month, and it has everything you could think of. Okay, it just saves me so much time. Let's go to. And there are different levels. I mean, I'm on the pro level. I'm on the lower tier levels. I use it for the keywords mainly. You could create thumbnails as well with tubebuddy if you like to, but it's gonna tell. Look at this. It's gonna tell me everything. This is in real time. It's gonna tell me everything, and the data is powered by YouTube. So this is a YouTube partner. This is all come from YouTube. There's not no third-party integration. So these are my subscribers, which is true. It's all my uploads. I have 220 videos. I'm trying to quadruple that. I'll give it a minute, let it load up so you can see my stats. If it ever loads up. But you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong with this. It's only I'm on the $5 a month subscription. $5 a month, and this will help you rank your YouTube videos higher. I mean, I can't. There's no way of expressing how viable this is. Once this loads up, we'll see where we're at. I'll give it another minute because I'm getting all my data from my YouTube channel. Like, these are my views, and all this is accurate. This is all accurate. Okay, all accurate. I have 220 videos right now on YouTube. I'm trying to get 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 videos because I'll make more money. It's still loading up. They changed the outlook. They changed the